Okay, let's see who we have coming in here for our AI extravaganza. Mr. Ruben Dua, the founder of Dubb. Ruben, what's up?
Rob, I would love to get your kind of walkthrough
Yeah.
on Dubb AI. I love the way that Rob walks through Dubb AI because he makes it he makes it so simple, and he shows how simple it can be if you use it in the right way. Um, as the CTO of the company, I never view it like that because I'm seeing the sort of the part below the ocean in the glacier, if you will. So it's always a breath of fresh air, Rob, to see, how easy this thing actually is.
Well, I'll just say this. Like, I try to explain it in a way that, we got brilliant guys like Rick Rubin and Darius and the team that build this stuff out, and they know every corner of everything. But I just try to talk about it in a way that, what are some basic use cases that make this thing so interesting? So, Dub AI is pretty much your little assistant that you have, your sales assistant. So, if there are things that you're trying to do that are just taking up your day. Whether it's going through an email to find your hottest emails that you missed, maybe some leads that are hanging in there that you didn't realize you missed. Maybe it's a case where you just want your CRM updated. You don't want to spend all the time updating your CRM. Maybe you want some lead generation, but you don't want to be spending all the manual time trying to do this. There are a number of things that Dub AI can do for you, and one of them is strategizing, writing, coming up with stuff. Now, AI can do that in general, but the cool thing about Dub AI is it actually does the doing part for you. So, if you're on ChatGPT and say, hey, give me this thing, it gives it to you. But then what? So Dub AI can do all of that, and it can also do the doing part. So it's really just about taking these things that you're doing all day long and even recurring tasks. Maybe you want a recap on something. Every time you get in the morning, hey, what's my recap on these leads? Bum, ba, bum. It'll give you that. And then you can take that thing and then you can actually make it do some action. That's what really this is all about. So the first part about getting Dub AI is this. It lives inside Slack. So Slack is a communication platform that a lot of companies use. Some solopreneurs use it as well, but it's a communication channel where you have different channels that you can communicate with different teammates. If it is just you and you're just, hey, it's just me by myself, Slack is awesome to get because you can separate the channels like I'm going to show in a little bit in terms of the different outreaches you can do. But all you have to do is just get the free version of Slack and you're able to use this thing because Dub AI lives inside of this when you're using it. So I'm going to share my screen and I want to show you this right here. So what you want to do is, first off, is go to dubb.com/AI. And when you're here, you're going to see these two little buttons right down here. So one is connect Slack. So if you already have Slack, just click connect. It'll get you in there, click allow, then you're in there, you got Dub AI. If you don't have Slack, it'll say, hey, so get a workspace. Click there, get the workspace, sign up, just get the free version of Slack. You don't need any other kind of version of it. Then you have Slack. Once you have Slack, then you're going to pop inside Slack and you're going to say hello to Dub AI. So right down here, this is Slack. This is the inside part right here. Go down to the bottom, you see apps, see Dub AI. Come over here and just say hello. And then Dub AI is going to say hi back, tell you a little bit about what it can do. And then you're going to start to say, wow, I can really use this thing. Okay. Now, once you say hello in here, then you want to go get a free trial of Dub AI. So we do a 7-day free trial. You get 25,000 free AI credits ready to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here. You're going to pop over to this right here. You're going to go to ai.dubb.com, sign up for that free trial. When you get the free trial, it's going to pop you right inside the dashboard, which is right in here. Now, to use Dub AI, we've got to educate Dub AI. We got to make it smart. It's already smart, but we really want to make it the smartest it can possibly be. So go over here to integrations, this little tab here. You'll notice we have some things connected to the Dub AI brain that we use in here. Gmail, HubSpot, Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Hootsuite, all these different areas right in here, right? What you want to do is you're going to come down here and type in the softwares that you use. What email do you use? Maybe you use Outlook. Type Outlook in here. Comes up right there. Connect it. Okay. So you go through the sequence here, your email, your CRM, your calendar link, right? Anything that you're using, look for it in here, connect it, and then you're good to go. And you're getting Dubb AI ready to access these things. So when you ask it to do stuff, it can do it in a very intelligent way. You also want to go over here to settings. Since you are a Dubster and you have Dubb, you want to come right down here at the bottom and click Connect Dubb. And that will connect Dubb to Dubb AI, so it's educated on that as well. Now, you also can do this, which is pretty cool. Skills. Give Dubb AI the most optimized skill set you possibly can. So the team set this up here where we have general skills that you see right here. And then you could pop over to any industry that you are in. You see it across the top here, right? So when you're in here, go and turn on the things that you want Dubb AI to be optimized and the best at to be able to do. Hey, do I want buyer consultation prep and real estate? Yeah, sure. Boom. Listing presentation builder. Boom. So turn these on that and give it the most power that you can in terms of your industry for Dubb AI to know what it's doing. Now, once you have this done and Dubb AI is fully ready to go, brain is all powered up, then you come right back over here to Slack and you'll notice right up here at the top, see these channels over here? See all these? Imagine you're like, you know what? I want a channel for my emails right here. I want a channel for my lead gen. I want a channel for my CRM. Okay. So let's take one of the most basic tasks you could do here when you have this set up. Let's go to email. And I'm going to say in here, you know what, Dubb AI? I want you to check my emails and tell me about any missed sales opportunities. What did I miss? What's in here? So when you ask Dubb AI, it's going to give you an answer. And it's going to come right over here, scan your email, go in there, and pull out all the important things. Maybe there's something urgent. Maybe someone's requesting a demo. Maybe there's an interest expression. Maybe it's in progress. Maybe it needs follow-up. So these are all great things to pull right out and give you. Now, Dubb AI is going to want to take this further. Okay, so once it gives you that, say, hey, do you want me to put together some personalized responses and get those out? Do you want me to schedule a follow-up reminder? Do you want me to log these into your CRM so you know what's going on? All of that is doing. And then when you approve it, it does the sending. Okay. So imagine Dubb AI sends an email out on your behalf. What would that look like? Well, boom, it would look something like this. You can come right over here under email. Let me grab this one right here and I'll show you. Boom. This one right here. Hey, can you send Rob an email explaining Dubb to rob@dubb.com? Sure, I can do that. Then it gives you a little check mark. The email has been sent. So then when we come over here to check, there's the email that Dubb AI sent right in here. And it gives all the information that I requested. So it actually does that doing part. Now it also can do this. What if you wanted to go into your CRM right here, right? Because we have our CRM channel over here. Hey, check my HubSpot CRM. Show me a list of some hot details in there that I need to know about. So it pops into here and it gives you this nice hot lead list right in here, right from your CRM that it can access. And then it will want to take it further like it did before. Now, if you're doing lead generation, like, hey, listen, I need some leads, then you come right over here, tell Dubb AI, generate a list as an example. Generate a list of the top CEOs of AI companies. I want name, I want email, I want company description. Give it in there, gives the answer. Look at this right over here. I've compiled the top 15 AI, this message right here. Here's all the information, the contact info. And again, it will take things further. Do you want to import them? Do you want to draft personalized cold outreach? So you're able to do this. So it's all about educating Dubb AI with the proper software that I showed you. And then it's about creating the little channels over here in Slack, your basic outreach, follow-up, email, CRM, whatever within your industry. And then it's just about adding Dubb AI and telling it to go do these things. And you can create daily recurring tasks. And that's awesome because when you come in, you can go right in here to your Dubb AI dashboard and go over to scheduled tasks, and you would have them all listed right in here, that every day they would deliver something for you. It's really about the communication, like you're talking to a person. Tell Dubb AI to go do that thing, and it will go do that thing. Now, in terms of sending, okay, if we're talking about email sending, you're like, hey, listen, I have this huge list and I want to bulk send a bunch of these things out, okay, to a bunch of people. If you're using Dubb or another CRM like Go High Level, whatever it is, and you have your workflow set up, your bulk sends and everything, it would be much smarter to send big sends with your regular stuff you're using. But if you can do targeted sends, like you say, give me the top 20 hot leads that I really want to reach out to with personal stuff and have it sent, Dubb AI is perfect for that because When it comes to billing, right? We live in an AI credit world. Oh my God, I'm out of credits. I'm out of credits. What's happening? Well, with Dubb, you get 50 bucks a month. You get 25,000 free AI credits. And if you go down here, you can really look in terms of what you're doing. And this is how you can educate yourself on when I take an action, what are the credits over here? What is the cost? And it will break it down for you. So whenever you start doing actions that are recurring, you'll see what that costs. And you can try it out. Do a research project, see what the credits it use, and you'll know what that costs. So in terms of a big send, use the stuff you're already doing because it will save you money here and target the sends when you're using Dubb AI. That's one of the biggest things that you can do. And it's really about learning when you're using this because Dubb AI is going to create all these opportunities for you. And it's about recognizing the opportunities and then creating those either as scheduled tasks or something that you want it to do. And it's all right there for you. But this will free your time up because it's like coming into a room and everything's already prepared. The food's already made. Oh, great. This is the food I ordered. This is perfect. All I got to do is eat it. So that's really what this is all about in a kind of step back version of it.